Hi guys and welcome back. It is miserable today. It is the 8th of November. It is 8 degrees, it is raining, it's dark, it's miserable, but this isn't a weather channel, so I'll get on with what we're doing today. We are driving over to Wicks and we're going to be picking up some CLS. Yes, we're going Wicks for a change rather than B&Q because I can get the CLS cheaper out of there. But yeah, we're going to be getting some CLS because today we're going to be dividing off a room into 3 rooms actually. So we're going to be making the room for an ensuite bathroom and one for a walk-in wardrobe. So we need to do that. So yeah, CLS stud working day today. We're not going to be plasterboarding today because I've got some help coming tomorrow with that. My mate Wig is coming to help me. Just because we're 3 floors up and getting the plasterboard up there on your own will be a right nightmare without smashing it to pieces, and probably the house as well. So yeah, got him coming to help with that. But yeah, we've got a new tool today as well. We've got a new laser level which is designed for helping with this sort of stuff, so it's going to be really interesting. I'm going to show you guys how that all works. It's not just like a normal run-of-the-mill laser level at all, so I'll show you that when we get on site. But yeah, like I said, we're on our way to B&Q, so let's get over there and find some materials. It's miserable out there. Jesus, glad I'm inside. I mean, I know I've got to get all the materials in, but at least we're inside. So let's reposition you there. That's most of the materials. Obviously not everything. We need to get insulation, we need to get a door, and blah blah blah, but we can make a start. We can get the walls up, so that's all good. So I'm going to head over there now. Let me show you this new laser level actually quickly while we've got it. So this is the Carpenter 6141G. Really decent bit of kit. So it puts you a dot down the bottom and helps laying out with walls and all that. I'll show you better when we're in the job, but that's it. So I will put the word gifted up the top because Carpenter have sent this to me purely because I needed one and no one else has done any videos for them on it. So it was mutually beneficial to the pair of us, and I think it will be for you guys as well, because that's not an expensive laser level, but if you're laying out walls and all that, it's a really decent bit of kit. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling, let's get over there and I'll show you what we've got to do. Okay guys, so we're on the job. Here's a little look at the room. So obviously we're going to be dividing the wall across here. We're going to have a doorway here, and a dividing wall going down here in line with that pipe. That pipe needs to fall just inside that room. And the way we're going to divide this up is, you can see here on this window, we've got this transom in there. So we're going to have window in the bathroom and window for the bedroom. So we're going to split the room down there, through there. So yeah, my first things I need to do is work out where my sole plates are going to go. So I'm going to get all of them in, and that's where this new level comes in handy. I'm going to show you that now. Now you will hear banging around because we've got Jack with us today. Say hi, Jack.
Hi.
Jack's the plumber or heating engineer, I should say, who's doing all this lovely pipe work for us. So yeah, I'm going to start by getting these sole plates down and I'll show you how that level works. Obviously we're not going to be nail gunning the sole plates in because we don't know what's underneath here, so we're going to just be screwing them down. Let's do it. Okay, so I've got this new laser level all set up here, and you can see I've got my mark on the wall there, which is just inside that pipe. If we go over there, I've got my mark on the wall there, and my mark on the wall there, and they transfer over the ceiling. Now I know what you're saying, it might look like a normal laser level, but what's really good with this is these little knobs here. So you can see on the floor I've got this little red dot. So what I've done is I've measured 1790 there, and on the floor more, so I can transfer them points across. And then by twisting these little knobs here, you probably can't see very well, but I can adjust that really easily, which is really hard to do with a standard laser level, as I'm sure you guys have known. And the other point that I've got there is because this is where I want my wall, so I know that that mark now is exactly 90 degrees to these lines here. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions on this, just ask me. I will do a dedicated video on this, but I just wanted to show briefly that. So now we can start getting our floor plates in, we can start getting our head plates in and our wall plates in, which is good. Okay guys, so as you can see above me, we've got all of our sole plates in and all of our header plates in. I actually called them right for a change. We've got no fixings along here. There's nothing into the ceiling, so I've glued it to the ceiling. That's why I've got the sticks up here for a minute, but when we get our uprights in, that'll wedge it up to the ceiling and it sticks like to the ceiling, so it ain't gonna go anywhere. Plus we've got this wall, so that's all good. So I'm gonna start by getting plates up the side here and up the back wall there, then we can work out where our doors are going to go and then fill it all in. So that's all good. And Jack's back, he ain't getting away with it. Okay, so you can see we've got all our studs in there. We're still yet to fill these studs in, and these are going to be my door openings here and here. Door's going to open inwards, and you can see I've doubled up these plates here and this one here. Obviously that still needs filling in back to the window, but I can do that after. Now the reason for me doubling up these two wall studs here is I don't like my door frames being too close to a door. See the detail you've got here? And you've got no architrave down this side. I don't like that. I like to put an architrave on, so by moving that over, that 36mm, means we're going to be able to get an architrave down there, and overall it's just going to look a lot nicer. So I'm going to have a quick bite to eat now, and then we're going to fill these studs in here, put some headers above the doors and a noggin there, and then yeah, then we can look at getting the frames in. But you'll notice my spacings are a little bit off here. And it's because I'm doing 9 by 1800mm plasterboards on here, just purely for access. We have a little look. Van's all the way down there. We've got a long way to come up, and I ain't going to get 8x4s up here. So we're doing 9 by 1800s on here. It's not ideal, but we're going to be able to get plasterboards up here. Okay guys, so that's all the stud work done, and you can see I cut the plates out down the bottom, just where I run the plate through, easier to line up. I have created this opening here because it's going to have all the shower controls in this section here, and it fell right on that stud, so I've opened that up, put these in. I'm going to beef these up a little bit more. But yeah, so the shower controls can go in there, and I've had to pack this off with batten because these timbers weren't deep enough to get the shower controls in. So we've done that. I've just started making up the door linings now, so I'm going to get the door linings in. I only have one door in stock, so I can only get one on today, but that's all good because, and that way tomorrow it just means we've got plasterboard, bit of insulation, and hang the other door, so it's a much easier day tomorrow. So I'm going to get on with that now, get all of them on, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, got the door on as well. That's working lovely. Obviously we need to bolt it, but it's a mess in here, so I'm gonna have a real good tidy up, and then I'll check in with you guys in the van. There you go guys, I'm quite happy with what we got done today. So yeah, tomorrow that's just going to leave boarding the other door and a bit of insulation to put on, and then once it's all been plastered we can come back and put the architraves and skirtings on and that, but there ain't a load, to be honest, is there? Do you know what I mean? We're going to have shower trays and all that down half of it. I think there will be a build to fit out that little fitted wardrobe bit, but they haven't decided what they want. They're quite indecisive, to be honest, so that's why, do you know, them really cheap handles that I put on there, because they haven't made up their mind what they want. So I said, look, I'll just get the cheapest handles I can for now, put them on, and then you can change your mind what you want. But I'll put a little clip now of what it looks like with all the boarding on in the last door, just so you guys can see it. So there you go guys, that's it all done. So it looks really good, really happy with how it come out anyway. But yeah, this is the point in the video where I'm going to ask you guys to do a massive favour. If you guys have watched to this point in the video, it really helps me to know who's watching this long. So if you can write the word bananas or banana in the comments, that'd be really handy, because it just lets me know how far we got. For those of you that know, we are working our way for a fruit bowl at the moment. So, but yeah guys, like I said, I'm going to leave it there. If you've got any questions on anything that I've done or what I'm going to do, just hit me up in the comments and I'll get back to everyone. I'll get back to every comment anyway. So yeah, let me know and I'll get back to you. But I'm going to leave it there guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.